Hello everyone, my name is Davin Singh. In this session, we will solve the FDA paper 2019, which was conducted in 9/6/2019. We are going to solve the FDA paper, that is first division assistant paper, which was held in 9/6/2019. This is GK paper, and this paper will solve in two parts. This is part this is part one of the video. Okay, part two will be uploaded very soon. This is the part one. Let us discuss the questions. The first question is, a train is called a bullet train when the speed is, basically they're asking the speed of bullet train. Speed of bullet train. So the speed of bullet train is 250 to 350 kilometer per hour. 250 to 350 kilometer per hour. First question is speed of bullet train, that is 250 to 350 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Okay. Next one shall we solve the next one? That is, next one is a region that selectively accumulates iodine in the body. Iodine in the body is dash, that is iodine will be accumulated in the body is in thyroid. That is, answer is thyroid. In thyroid, the iodine will be accumulated. Let us move to the next question, that is third one. Third one says the universal blood group, the universal recipient blood group, the universal recipient blood group. So the universal recipient blood group is AB. AB is the universal recipient and O is the universal donor. O is also O is called as blood group O is universal donor. Okay. Let us move to the next one. Fourth question. This: the poisonous nature of the carbon monoxide is due to the poisonous nature of carbon monoxide is due to dash. That is, answer is because of its combination with hemoglobin of blood. Because of its combination with hemoglobin, combination with hemoglobin of the blood. Because of combination of hemoglobin with the blood. Because of that reason, carbon monoxide is more dangerous than carbon dioxide, because it combines with hemoglobin of the blood. That is the reason why carbon monoxide is very dangerous for the health. Let us move to the next one. That is fifth question. Fifth question is, alum purifies muddy water by purifies muddy water by that is coagulation. Answer is coagulation. Coagulation is the answer. Let us move to the next one. That is sixth question. Sixth question says, which one of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Sixth question says, which one of the following is not is important, not a greenhouse gas. So answer is, so options they were given is, first option is, A option is CO2, second option is CH4, that is methane, third option is ethane, and fourth option is N2O. So the answer is ethane. Ethane is not a greenhouse gas. Okay, ethane is not a greenhouse gas. So answer is ethane. Let us move to the next one. That is seventh question. Seventh question says, when released from ovary, the egg contains when released from ovary. When released from ovary, human egg contains human egg. Human egg contains dash. That is X chromosome. Answer is X. So obviously, the egg will contain X chromosome. That is, the answer is one X chromosome. Answer is one X chromosome, and sperm will contain either X or Y chromosome. Okay. Next one, eighth one we'll discuss. Eighth one says, fossil full of animals, plants, and other microorganisms are found in which rock? Okay. Answer is, let us write the question. Fossil fossils of animals. Fossils of animals, plants, and other microorganisms and other microorganisms other microorganisms are found in dash, that is in which rock, that is these are all found in sedimentary rock. Answer is sedimentary rock. These are all found in sedimentary rock. Let us move on to the next question, that is ninth one. Ninth one is, free living bacterium capable of fixing nitrogen is, basically they're asking the which bacteria which fix the nitrogen. Let us write the question. Uh, free living a free living bacterium capable of capable of capable of fixing nitrogen is dash, that is answer is which type of bacteria that fix the nitrogen is, that is clostridium. Clostridium is the answer. Answer is clostridium. Let us move to the next one. 10th question. 10th question says, commercial source of citric acid from the sugar involves fermentation of dash. Let us write first 10th question. That is commercial source of citric acid. Commercial source of citric acid. Commercial source of citric acid from sugar. Involves fermentation of fermentation of when fermentation by answer is commercial source of citric acid from the sugar involves fermentation by aspergillum. Answer is aspergillum. Aspergillum is the answer. Okay, commercial source of citric acid from the sugar involves fermentation of aspergillum. Okay, let us discuss 11th one. 11th one is, which item has highest weight in consumer price index? Which item has highest weight highest highest weight in consumer price index? In consumer price index is, option A was rent, option B was Food. Option C was fuel. Option D was clothing. So answer of this is food. Food has highest weight of consumer price index. Okay, let us move to the next one. That is 12th one. 12th one is Sarvekshana. Sarvekshana, a quarterly journal, a, a quarterly journal is published by is published by dash. Okay, Sarvekshana, a quarterly journal, is published by dash. That is National Sample Survey. Answer is National Sample Survey is the answer. National Sample Survey is the answer. Let us move to the 13th question. 13th question says, the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2018 was awarded for the groundbreaking invention in the field of dash. We'll write the question. Question is, the Nobel Prize in Physics 2018 was awarded for the groundbreaking invention in the field of, that is, laser physics. Answer is laser physics. Laser physics. Okay. Let us move to the 14th question. Okay. The highest number of women world boxing champions have been won by athlete of which country? That is, answer is India. Answer is India. Okay. This is the answer. The highest number of women world boxing champions have been won by the athlete of India. Answer is India. Let us move to the next one. That is 15th question. 15th question says, Gnanpith for 2018 was awarded to dash, that is awarded to whom? That is, answer is Amitav Ghosh. Amitav Ghosh. Answer is Amitav Ghosh. Let us move to the next one. That is 16th question. 16th question says, 16th question was regarding sorry, this was 16th question. Okay, so we have somewhere missed around. Okay, wait a second. 16th question says, in FIFA World Cup, in FIFA, the full form of FIFA is Federation of Football Association. Sorry, Federation International Football Association, FIFA full form, right? Okay, in FIFA World Cup 2018, the Golden was awarded to, the Golden Ball was awarded to, answer is Luka Modric. Answer is Luka Modric. Luka Modric. Answer is Luka Modric. Let us move on to the next one. That is 17th one. 17th question says, recently launched GSAT 29 is used for the purpose of dash. The answer is communication. Answer for this is communication. Answer for this is communication. Let us solve 18th question. 18th question says, Spinnaker is the world largest. Spinnaker is the world's largest dash. The answer is it is brain mimicking supercomputer. Answer is brain mimicking brain mimicking supercomputer. Supercomputer. Answer is brain mimicking supercomputer. Okay. Next one. Let us solve 19th question. 19th question says Padma Shri Mushirul Hasan, who passed away in December 2018, was known for his contribution in the field of dash, that is, in the field of history. Answer is in the field of history. Okay, let us move to the 20th question. 20th question is who is the current governor of RBI? Who is the current governor of RBI? The answer is the current governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das. Answer is Shaktikanta Das. Shaktikanta Das. Answer is Shaktikanta Das. Let us move to the next one. 21st question. 21st question says, question number 21 says, which film has won the highest number of category in 91st Academic Award is? Answer is Bohemia Rhapsody. Bohemia Rhapsody is the answer. Let us move on to the next question. That is 22nd question. 22nd question says India's rank in HDI ranking in 2018 is, that is Human Development Index. India's rank in HDI, that is Human Development Index rankings of 2018 is, answer is the answer is 130. India's rank was in HDI was 130 in 2018. Okay. Let us move to the 23rd question. 23rd question says, which of the following are excluded from GST? Which of the following are excluded from GST? Excluded from GST. The answer is petroleum and alcohol. Petroleum and alcohol have do not have GST in it. Answer is petroleum and alcohol. Petroleum, alcohol do not have GST on it. Okay, this is 23rd question. Let us move to the next one. That is, which of the following is not derived from cholesterol? 24th question says, okay, which question number 24 says, which of the following is not derived from cholesterol? Answer. Okay, here steroid is derived from cholesterol. Bile salt is derived from cholesterol. That is, it is secreted in liver. Aldosterone is also secreted from, cholesterol. The answer is glucagon. Here, glucagon is secreted by alpha cells of pancreas. Alpha cells of pancreas. This is secreted from alpha cells of pancreas. Let us move to the next one. 25th question. Question number 25 says, in India, the first biosphere reservoir was established in. Answer is Nilgiri. Nilgiri is in Western Ghat. Answer is Nilgiri. Western Ghat. It is present in Western Ghat. Let us move on to the next question. That is 26th question. Which of the following rock is the best example for metamorphic rock? Answer is schist. That is schist. Schist is the answer. Let us move on to the 27th question. Okay, the normal lapse rate of atmosphere is, that is, if you go 1000 meters above, the decrease in temperature will be 6.5 degrees Celsius. That is, the answer is 6.5 degree Celsius per 1000 meters. That is, if you go 1000 meters above, as you reach 1000 meter altitude, the decrease in temperature will be 6.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, there will be for every 1000 meter raise in altitude, the decrease in temperature is 6.5 degrees Celsius. Let us move on to the 28th question. 28th question says, doldrum is a zone of geography question. This is related to geography. Doldrums is a zone of is a zone of it is a zone of what? It is a zone of intertropical convergence. Answer is intertropical convergence. It is an intertropical convergence zone. Answer is doldrum is a zone of ITCZ or intertropical convergence zone. The answer is ITCZ. Let us move on to the next question. 29th question. Question number 29 says, which of the following coal fields is the largest coal producer of India? That is, which of the following coal fields are largest producer in India? The answer is Jharia. Jharia is the answer. Jharia is in Jharkhand. It is in Jharkhand. Okay. Okay. Let us move to the 30th question. Okay. 30th question says, a valley formed by sinking of ground between two almost parallel fault is called Rift Valley. Answer is Rift Valley. Okay. Rift Valley will be like this. Will be V-shaped valley. These are the mountains, and there will be rift present in this to them. It is called Rift Valley. Answer is Rift Valley. Let us move on to the next one. 31st question. Lowest layer of atmosphere is answer is lowest layer of atmosphere is troposphere. Answer is troposphere. This is most common question in all the updated exam. Troposphere. Okay. Let us move to the next one. That is 32nd question. 32nd question says that the topographical maps is prepared by the topo sorry not topo 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 topographical maps are prepared by it is prepared by Survey of India. Answer is Survey of India. Survey of India. Let us move to the 33rd question. 33rd question. The first scientific attempt to measure the national income of India was made by V.K.R.V. Rao. Answer is V.K.R.V. Rao. The V.K.R.V. full form is V for Vijayendra, K for Kasturi, R for Ranga, and V for Varadaraja. Right? Vijayendra, Kasturi, Kasturi Ranga, Kasturi Ranga, Varadaraja. He's from Tamil Nadu. Okay. The first scientific attempt to measure the national income of India was made by V.K.R.V. Rao. Let us move on to the 34th question. Okay. 34th question says, in India, which one among the following formulates the fiscal policy? The fiscal policy will be formulated by Ministry of Finance. Answer is Ministry of Finance. Okay. In India, which one of the following formulates the fiscal policy? The fiscal policy will be formulated by Ministry of Finance. Let us move on to the 35th question. 35th question says, Vijay Kelkar Committee. Vijay Kelkar Committee. Vijay Kelkar Committee in India is related to in India is related to dash. The answer is it relates to tax reform. Tax reform. Answer is tax reform. Okay. Vijay Kelkar. This is important. This is very important. Okay. Next one. 36th question. Okay. Decentralized planning on the basis of Panchayati Raj institution was recommended by. Answer is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. This question is from Polity. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Answer is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Okay, this is very important. Decentralized planning on the basis of Panchayati Raj institution was recommended by Balwant Rai Committee or Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Let us move to the next one. Question number 37 says, when large number of people are employed, but their actual contribution is either marginal or negative, that kind of employment is called disguised unemployment. Answer is disguised unemployment. Answer is disguised unemployment. Let us move to the next one. Education is measured in present human development indexes by the mean of. Answer for this is, the education is measured in the present human development index by the mean. Mean means average. By the mean years of schooling. Mean years of schooling for adults aged 25 years and expected years of schooling expected years of schooling for children of school entering age Okay, the answer for this is mean years of schooling for adult age 25 years and the expected years of schooling for the children's school entering age. They'll take the mean of both. Okay, next one. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through passed through, they have given option number A as Thailand, option B as Vietnam, Vietnam, Vietnam. Third one is, that is C, option C is Myanmar, and option D as Mexico. Okay. See, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through these two countries, that is Thailand as well as Vietnam, but it passes through Myanmar and Mexico. So the answer is, Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Thailand and Vietnam. Next one is, among the following, which state was most urbanized? The answer for this is Punjab. Sorry, Punjab is the most urbanized state. Next one, 41st question. Which is the community not seen in Nilgiri Hills? Okay, which is the community which is not seen in Nilgiri Hills? The answer is Iruliga. Answer for this is Iruliga. Okay, next one. Next one is 43rd question. Sorry, 42nd question. The gap between two sessions of the parliament should not exceed 6 months. Answer for this is 6 months. Answer for this is 6 months. Okay. Next one is 43rd question. Okay, 43rd question is match the following. That is list 1. You have to match with list 2. Okay. Committee on officers of profit. Committee on officers of profit is related to Joint Parliament Committee. Is related to Joint JPC. That is JCP. Sorry, Joint Committee of Parliament. Or okay. Next one is Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is related to Premier Think Tank. It is a Premier Think Tank. Okay, Premier. It is Premier Think Tank. Okay. Next one, Estimates Committee. It is related to Committee of Lok Sabha, and Census of India. That is related to, that is wings of Ministry of Home Affairs. Census of India, it is related to wing of Ministry of Home Affairs. It is related to wing of Ministry of Home Affairs. Let us move on to the 44th question. 44th question says, we have borrowed a DPSP, that is Directive Principle of State Policy, from the Constitution of India. From which country? That is, we have borrowed DPSP from Ireland. From Ireland. This is very important. Okay, next one. This is from Polity. Next one, 45th question. Okay, 45th question says, untouchability in any form has been declared unconstitutional. That is, untouchability in any form has been declared unconstitutional by article, under the Article 17. Under Article 17. Let us move to the 46th question. Which law protect from sexual harassment for the children? That is, answer is POSCO. POSCO means, full form of POSCO is Prevention of Children from Sexual Exploitation. Sorry, POSCO full form is Protection of Children from Sexual Offense. Protection of, P for Protection of Children from Sexual Offenses. Okay, sexual offenses. Next one. Whom does Rajya Sabha represent? It represents, Rajya Sabha represent State of India. It represents, answer is States of India. States of India. It represents States of India. Next one. Financial emergency can be declared by Article 360. It can be declared by Article 360. It can be declared by Article 360. Next one is 49th question. Sarkaria Commission was formed to give report on center-state relation. Answer is center-state relation. Center-state relation. Answer is center-state relation. Okay. Next one. Which of the following was not contemporary of Indus Valley civilization? Okay. The answer for this is Greek civilization, because Greek civilization is the oldest civilization. The contemporary are these three, that is Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, and Sumerian civilization. The answer is not. Okay. Which of the following is not a contemporary of Indus Valley civilization? That is Greek civilization. Greek civilization is the answer. Okay. Thank you.